Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to hide story on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to open up the TikTok app and go to Inbox. And here you'll be able to find your story. So just tap on it and then just tap on the three dots at the very bottom. And then you'll be able to find settings. Okay. Tap on it. Now you can go ahead and share it only to your friends or only you, meaning only you can see it. All right. And the once that's done, you're actually good to go. Now, if you want this one to be automatic, you can restrict who can see your story directly from the editing screen before you share it. All right. So for example, let's go ahead and create a story right here, just like so. And then just tap on the gear icon at the top before you post or post a story and change this one to friends or only you. All right. And by the way, if you just want to hide a story to a specific person, well, the only option that you have is to block the person if you want to hide your story from them. All right. So that is how you hide a story on TikTok. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.